Wash your hands.
Today we are making Rice Krispies Treats. Here's what you need. Rice Krispies cereal, cooking spray, butter, and marshmallows. Supplies you'll need is a baking dish, a spatula, a knife, a measuring cup, and a microwavable bowl. First, you're going to cut 2 tablespoons of butter. Then you'll take off the paper and add it to the bowl. Next, you're going to do 3 cups of marshmallows. And next, we'll bring it over to the microwave and put it in for a minute. It might be hot, so be careful. Now we mix. After you've mixed it and it's done being in the microwave, you'll add 3 cups of Rice Krispies cereal in the bowl. Next, you're pouring your next cup of cereal, mix that. Now you'll add your last cup of Rice Krispies Treats. And mix that. Next, you'll spray the pan. And then, after you finish spraying it, you'll add the Rice Krispies Treats in to the other bowl. really stick on there. It's falling. Next, you'll use your spoon to flatten it down. I really want you to stick on it soon. You'll wait for it to cool. We are going to cut it into squares. Not easy to cut. That looks so good.
Wash your dishes. Put food away. What did she make? A. Rice Krispie Treats. B. S'mores. C. Donuts. The correct answer is Rice Krispie Treats. How much butter did she use? A. 1 cup. B. 1 pound. C. 2 tablespoons. The correct answer is 2 tablespoons. What did she use to mix? A. Spatula. B. Fork. C. Whisk. The correct answer is spatula. How long did she put it in the microwave? A. 1 minute. B. 2 minutes. C. 30 seconds. The correct answer is 1 minute. Where should you store marshmallows? A. Fridge. B. Freezer. Or C. Pantry. The correct answer is pantry. Data sheet and visual recipe link below.